You know what a Chinese poodle look like? Nah, not this one. No, not at all. Oh, come on, show me the real one. Yes. Now this looks like a real Chinese dog. His full name is Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, and currently he serves as the Director General of the World Health Organization. When the COVID pandemic spread for the first time in China, Dr. Tedros spread this fake news in the world that COVID was a non-contagious disease, which means it does not spread from human to human. This fake news added fuel to the fire, helped China escape global scrutiny, and facilitated the spread of diseases outside of Chinese borders. 2 years down the line, the world is facing a similar crisis. A new variant of COVID called BF.7 has emerged in China. China is again busy covering up its miserable COVID data, and Dr. Tedros is again helping China evade questions and responsibility while risking millions and millions of lives worldwide. Hi and welcome, you're watching India's World. We discuss geopolitics here. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more interesting videos. First of all, let us understand the gravity of the COVID situation in China. On paper, China is logging more than 10,000 COVID cases daily since mid-November. 11 official deaths have been reported so far. But the workers at crematoriums and the videos showing overburdened hospitals in China tell a different story. Experts have warned that the current wave of coronavirus in China may likely infect over 60% of the country's population in the next 90 days, with the death toll likely to climb to millions. Now, this is not just a Chinese problem. The massive outbreak in China is driven by BF.7 sublineage of the Omicron COVID variant, and it is now spreading across the Chinese borders. For example, China's neighbor India has already registered 3 BF.7 COVID cases. China's population lacks natural immunity, and even its anti-COVID vaccines are fake. So, chances are high that a mutant may emerge with greater infectivity. This way, China can very well create another global pandemic. And the person assisting China in its evil deeds is again Dr. Tedros, the WHO chief. Given the terrible COVID management in China, WHO must already have advised the world to shut down their borders for China and the Chinese people. The Chinese are still allowed to travel freely to US, India, Europe and other parts of the world, thus allowing China to spread the new variant of Wuhan virus. Meanwhile, Dr. Tedros is pleading with China like a loyal dog for more data and information, while asking the world not to worry about the corona explosion in China. In a recent statement released by WHO, Dr. Tedros said, in order to make a comprehensive risk assessment of the situation on the ground, the WHO needs more detailed information on disease severity, hospital admissions, and requirements for intense care unit support. The WHO is supporting China to focus its efforts on vaccinating people at the highest risk across the country, and we continue to offer our support for clinical care and protecting its health system. Wow, what a music to China's ears. WHO cannot help heaping praises on China. At the same time, WHO is failing to aware the world about fake Chinese vaccines. Now, it is become more than clear that Chinese vaccines are fake and ineffective. But do you know that WHO literally helped China sell its 2 billion faulty doses to the world over the last 2 years? What a shame Dr. Tedros has brought the World Health Organization. He must immediately be sacked from his post to save the world from another Chinese pandemic.
India's World, telling the right side of the story.